Farming has gone digital. Introducing the Feast Farms mobile app, a super convenient solution that allows farm owners to manage their farms and track farm performance remotely. And it's really easy to get started. Download the app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Sign up with a new account and you're all done. Now, there's a world of performance tracking, farm monitoring, and financial management tools available right at your fingertips. Not to mention professional advisory, e-extension services, and access to quality farm inputs, all packaged in a sleek, user-friendly interface. The farming revolution is here. Download the Feast Farms app today and go digital. Here's how to download, sign up, and log in to the Feast Farms app. Download and launch the app from your phone. Sign up with a new account. Fill in the required information. Enter the OTP code and verify. And finally, enter your username and password to log in. To add a farm input, tap the plus button on the home page, select Add Farm Input, fill in the fields and tap Submit. To add a product, tap the plus button on the home page, select the Add Farm Product option, then fill in the fields and tap Submit. The products are now available on the Buy page. To add a job on the app, tap the plus button on the home page, select the Add Job option, then fill in the fields and tap Submit. The job is now available on the Jobs page. To add a service on the app, tap the plus button on the home page, select the Add Service option, then check the service offered and tap Submit. The service is now available on the Services page. To apply for a job, navigate to the Jobs tab, then select from the available jobs. Tap the Apply Here button, then fill in the form and tap Submit. Your job application has now been submitted. To buy a product, tap the Buy tab on the home page, select the product you want to buy, then tap Contact Seller to get contact information. Here's how you can manage your finances on the app. Tap the Finances button on the home page, select Add Transaction, then fill in the fields and tap Submit. Now, the transaction is available on the Finances page, and you can generate a financial report by tapping the button. Here's how to add a staff member on the app. Tap the Labor button on the home page, then tap Add Staff. Finally, fill in the fields and submit. The staff member is now available on the Farm Staff page, and you can generate a work report by tapping the Report button.